This was my own story exactly for the first decade after I became a trained, certified coach. I had graduate degrees, I had prestigious coaching certifications, and yet I would frequently have the experience that there was something going on with my clients that I just wasn't able to get to and I wasn't able to address. And if I was really honest with myself, I saw that that same block or barrier was inside of me around a lot of issues in my own life. And so, this really did begin to impact my own confidence because I knew I had a lot to offer, and yet I wasn't able to get the deeper results that I sensed were in potential. And what I would do to compensate for that is I would just give so much more to my clients, of my time, of my empathy, of my care, of my over functioning, of my over resourcing, because I really wanted them to have a breakthrough. And I felt like that was the only thing that I could do to try to make up for the not being able to, kind of work on whatever level it was. I didn't quite have the language to identify it. It was just this barrier that was there in my experience. So about 20 years ago, in my work and research, I kind of was leaning into this and I was exploring this and I wanted to find out what the answer is. What I found out is that women make up a staggering 70% of the audience for the coaching and lifelong learning industry. And yet the entire fields of coaching, therapy, medicine, law, the world is not at all informed by women's unique developmental challenges and opportunities. And so what I didn't anticipate is that insight would unlock everything for me. What I had discovered as I leaned into it and I began asking a different set of questions is that the training that I'd had not at all prepared me to get deep, powerful, irreversible results with women. And I made it my mission to find out exactly what it was and how to do it.